All of these YouTubers are making faceless YouTube channels, and they're getting monetized in a short amount of time. And you're probably wondering how you can do the same. So how exactly are they making these videos? Stick around for the next few minutes, and you'll find out because I'm going to walk you through it step by step and show you exactly how. So watch the video until the end, so you don't miss anything. The first thing we're going to need is a script, so let's go over to ChatGPT to help us with that. If you don't have an account, just click on Sign Up and make one. Now, we're going to ask ChatGPT to make us an intro for our YouTube video. But before we do that, we need to figure out what our video will be about. Let's make a video on why AI will rule the world. Now, let's tell ChatGPT to make us a short YouTube video intro on why AI will rule the world. The intro is kind of long, so we will tell it to make it shorter. Now that you have your intro, you can fix it up to your liking. You can ask ChatGPT to go deeper and finish the rest of the script for you, but we're just going to stick with the intro for this video. Now that we have the script, we're going to need an AI voice generator. There are a lot of different ones out there that you can use, but I highly recommend using ElevenLabs, because the last thing you need is for your AI voice to sound awful. You can get started with a free account, but the features are limited. So if you're really serious about this, I recommend getting the creator package. It literally says, for content creators, and you get your first month 50% off. I'll have a link to it down below. Now that we're signed into ElevenLabs, we first need to choose a voice, so here are all of the voices. Let's select one of the new voices. Now we need to take our finished script, paste it where it says text, and then click generate. I recommend only doing one paragraph at a time. Okay, let's listen to how it sounds.
Hey there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we explore the unstoppable force that is artificial intelligence. Join me as we unravel the reasons behind why AI is destined to rule the world. Subscribe, hit that like button, and let's dive into the future together.
Now click on the little arrow at the bottom to download it. If you're getting value from this video, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It's the best way you can thank me and support the channel. Okay, we have the script and we generated it into an AI voice, so now we need to make it into a video. To do this, you can use CapCut. But for this video, we're going to use Canva. Be using CapCut for our next step, to add the finishing touch, so you don't want to miss that. After making a Canva account and signing in, click on Create a Blank Video. Now look to the left, where it says Upload and click on it, and then click on Audio. Click on Upload Files and select the AI voice you downloaded, or drag it to where it says Drag Media Here to upload. Select your audio to add it. Now we need to add some images or videos to go with our AI voice. Click on Video and enter a keyword that is related to your audio file in the search bar. Since my video is on why AI will rule the world, I'm going to search for AI-related videos. Select the video you want to use and make sure the video matches with what's being said in the audio file. If the video is too long, you can drag it and make it shorter. If you need multiple videos, click on the plus sign to add a new page. Most of the images and videos will require you to get a Canva Pro account, and I recommend you do, because everyone is going to be using all of the same free stuff in their videos, and Canva Pro comes with a lot of cool features. You can also use free stock images and videos on websites like Pixabay and Pexels. After putting your video together, click on where it says Share in the top right corner, and then click on Download. Okay, so our video is done, but how can we make it better? That's where CapCut finally gets to make its long-awaited appearance. If you don't have CapCut, head over to their website and download their PC version. After launching CapCut, drag and drop your downloaded video. Once your video is in CapCut, look to the top left and click on Text, then click on Auto Captions. Select English, then click on Create. After it finishes, you can select what style of captions you would like. Play the video to see the captions, and if needed, you can edit the captions by clicking on Captions in the top right and make the adjustments needed. Okay, let's see how it all came together.
Hey there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we explore the unstoppable force that is artificial intelligence. Join me as we unravel the reasons behind why AI is destined to rule the world. Subscribe, hit that like button, and let's dive into the future together.
Looks pretty good to me. Now you can click Export in the top right and you're all done. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.